All right, so when we're talking about employee rights, one of the things that we need to address is sexual harassment. Okay, so employees are protected against sexual harassment in the workplace. Okay, so sexual harassment laws, they forbid harassment based upon an employee's sex, okay, whether they're male or female. Okay, now this can kind of take on two different forms. The first one is called quid pro quo. Now that is Latin saying that means this for that. Okay, so it is illegal, okay, for sexually related favors in exchange for something employment related. Okay, the example here. Okay, so somebody can't say to you at work, if you go out with me on a date, I'll make sure that you get promoted. Okay, what is happening there is somebody saying, if you give me this, then I'll give you that. Okay, if you exchange some sort of sexually related favor, okay, or romantic relationship type interaction, okay, in order for exchange of something related to employment, that creates a quid pro quo situation, okay, and that would be considered sexual harassment in the workplace, which is illegal, okay? Employees are protected against that. Okay, now the other thing, or the other way that sexual harassment can happen in the workplace is through the creation of a hostile work environment. So if you work somewhere and there's the employees or the management at that place of work, okay, there's sexually explicit comments being made, sexual jokes being made. Okay, if you see degrading cartoons, okay, that present one gender in some sort of inferior or compromising situation, okay, or if there are sexual gestures in the workplace, okay, that creates sexual harassment and it violates the protections that are afforded to employees in the United States. Okay, so if you work in a place and you experience sexual harassment, you have the right to take legal action, okay, to prevent that injustice from occurring moving forward, okay, and to potentially compensate you through a court of law.